कि ये हम कैसे साबित कर सकते हैं कि कुरान मजीद
Question. What is the proof that Qur'an is from God?
कभी खाली उस ज़हन होकर सिर्फ एक
Answer. With a clear mind, ponder on this. There are millions of books in this world, and there are countless experts in every subject. I have studied numerous books on all types of subjects, and I can say with full responsibility, that no point of view or book remains valid more than 100 years. This means that merely within 40 or 50 years, mistakes start to become evident. This applies to everyone. For example, it took less than 100 years to discover mistakes made by Newton. Similarly, if we study Allama Iqbal's literature written around 1928, you can see many mistakes. On the other hand, if you study Qur'an, you wouldn't be able to prove a single mistake. You will clearly find out that every word of Qur'an is still correct and completely valid. For a moment, if you disregard that this book is from God, and consider that it was written over 1400 years ago by an illiterate person in the middle of a desert. Now that in the last 300 years there has been a revolution in science and knowledge, but still, nothing in this book can be proven incorrect or invalid. A person just need to study simple translation of Qur'an to understand this fact.